If you are selling digital products, or if you are a service provider, experts, consultants, or coaches, and you are taking payments using Stripe, right, to process your customers' orders, then pay attention to this video, okay? I don't know if your Stripe account ever got into trouble. A lot of people, their Stripe account got shut down by Stripe, okay, because they are selling digital products. And every single day, when you go on social media, right, you can see a lot of digital product sellers, their Stripe account got shut down. And in this video, I want to show you how to create your Stripe account correctly, okay, to avoid future trouble. So let's take a look. A few days ago, I noticed a trend, okay? So here, right, Mark, Stripe account, right, got terminated. Andy, here's another one. Adam say, imagine using Stripe for 4 years, got one chargeback, and instantly getting banned. Here's another one. I'm absolutely shaking with frustration at your customer service and support, right? Stripe didn't give him any help at all. Just shut his account down, right? Loads of people. So how can you avoid this problem from happening in your business? Okay, number one thing, I encourage you, go on Google, then just search Stripe restricted business. You have to understand, in Stripe's point of view, if your business is considered restricted, okay? So when you click on it, it's gonna show you Stripe information, right? Scroll down, I'm gonna go to restricted business, okay? So here, if you are a content creator, if you are selling digital products, right? Pay attention to this one, okay? I don't know when your Stripe account will get into trouble. Sometimes a few months down the road, sometimes immediately, sometimes a couple years later. But this video, this training will give you a solution, okay? So here, content creation platform that host or distribute third-party content and enable content creators to sell digital products. Okay, so if you are selling digital products, it is considered as restricted business. Okay, unless you get approval beforehand by Stripe, otherwise you're gonna get caught. So how can we avoid this problem from happening to your business? Now we have to understand there are two major type of Stripe account. Individual Stripe account, the one you apply with Stripe by yourself. There's the other type of Stripe account called partnership account, okay, or called Stripe Connect account. What's the difference? Again, you can go on Google, then just search regular Stripe account versus partnership account, okay? So regular Stripe account, it means you apply and get your Stripe account directly from Stripe. When you do that, Stripe is actually taking the risk for your business. For whatever reason, right? If they feel your business is too risky for them, even though your business is 100% legit, okay? Stripe will shut you down just to protect themselves. But when you get your Stripe account through Stripe authorized partners, then those partners are taking the risk, not Stripe. That's how you can sell digital products, okay? So that's the main difference. Now, the real question is, how can you get your Stripe account through Stripe partners, okay? So today, I want to show you this platform. This is exactly how you can get your Stripe account and sell your coaching service, sell your other services, sell digital products without having any problem. So you're going to use this platform called OfferLab. What is OfferLab? OfferLab is a new platform that Russell Brunson launched. Okay, so if you are selling digital products, you can use OfferLab completely for free. Okay, there's no monthly subscription. You can use this for free, and you can tap into Marketplace right here, instantly give you access to all top converting offers, whether that's digital products, physical products, courses, coaching, experiences, e-commerce products, okay? So you can pick and choose and promote these products, make money from these top converting products for free, all right? So once again, using OfferLab is 100% free. I'm going to put the link down below, okay? So you guys can get your free OfferLab account. Now, let's go back to the main topic. You're going to get your Stripe account through OfferLab, okay? So once you get your free account, then go to left-hand side. You're going to select menu, okay? You're going to go to settings. Once you are in the settings, select payments, okay? If this is the first time you log into your OfferLab account, it's going to ask you, you have two options, okay? Two options. First option is to connect your own Stripe account, the one you got from Stripe directly, okay? The other one is to create a new account through OfferLab. You want to create a new account through OfferLab, okay? You can have multiple Stripe accounts for your business. So I suggest you keep your own Stripe account as backup. But when you want to sell digital products, right, you want to make sure you get your Stripe account from Stripe partners. Then Stripe most likely won't have problem with you, okay? So select create new account, then just go through the process and create a new Stripe account through OfferLab. This new Stripe account you created through OfferLab, it can help you process orders on OfferLab platform. It also gives you another option that you can use it to take orders outside of OfferLab platform. What do I mean by that? Okay, let me show you the actual Stripe account. So if I go to my Stripe account, right, you can see Wealth Warriors is our company name. And we got this Stripe account through OfferLab. So we use this Stripe account to process transactions on OfferLab platform. But when I click on my company name again, you're going to see this OfferLab will switch to our own funnel platform. Okay, we use Go High Level. So we use that account to take payments outside of OfferLab. Okay, so when I click on this one, it will switch. Now it says Lead Connector, right? This is on Go High Level platform. So we can use this Stripe account to take payments, sell digital products outside of OfferLab platform. Okay, so you're going to use this new Stripe account to sell all kinds of digital products, services, and coachings and courses however you want, and without worrying that your Stripe account may get shut down. So I hope this video gives you that clarity that you have been looking for, because I know getting Stripe account shut down is very frustrating. Okay, and if you do receive value from this video, make sure subscribe to my channel and also click the link down below in the video description. Get yourself that OfferLab account 100% free. Then through that, you can get your new Stripe account. All right, let's go.